Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Wix premium websites and subscription. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To cancel your Wix premium plan, all you need to do is go to premium subscriptions in your account, find the plan, click the more actions icon, then select cancel plan and confirm. This turns off auto renewal, keeping features until the cycle ends, but you can request a full refund within the first 14 days if eligible. Remember to cancel domains and apps separately if needed, as they are distinct subscriptions. If you want to understand the step-by-step process, all you need to do is go to wix.com and log into your account, click your profile icon on the top right and go to account settings and then into premium subscriptions. Find the plan you want to cancel and click the more icon or more actions icon, which is 3 dots next to it. Then select cancel plan, then confirm by clicking cancel now in the pop-up. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.